I represent Lauren Marie Young. She testified yesterday, she testified this morning, and today the defense completed their cross-examination of her. There was some redirect, and then there was some recross. Lauren has completed her testimony, and she was very happy that she had an opportunity to tell the jury what she alleges Mr. Weinstein did to her. And it's her hope that justice will be done.
The prosecution has rested its case against Harvey Weinstein in what is a closely watched trial of the Me Too era. Jurors heard from 6 accusers, 6 women who took the witness stand, and in often graphic detail, sometimes very emotional testimony, they talked about what they said were harrowing experiences with Harvey Weinstein. These women, some of them were aspiring actresses. One was a woman who was looking to get into the behind-the-scenes part of the entertainment business, and one was a star on the rise, Annabella Sciorra. And they said over the last 2 decades plus, they had these vile interactions with Harvey Weinstein. Now that the prosecution has rested, that gives an opportunity for Harvey Weinstein's lawyers to call witnesses of their own. Now, we've already seen the defense tactics on display. They've been very aggressive in their cross-examination of the accusers and other prosecution witnesses, but now they have an opportunity to change the narrative a little bit and call witnesses of their own. One of those witnesses we know for sure is going to be a cognitive psychologist who studies memory, human memory, and that's part of a strategy by the defense to call into question the recollections of some of these accusers. They say it's impossible to remember the vivid details of something that happened a decade or 2 ago in some cases, and they are bringing this woman in, this doctor, psychologist I should say, to push back against those recollections.
Morning, How are you feeling today, Harvey?
Morning.
Harvey, do you think the prosecution had a strong case? Are you concerned, Harvey?
We don't know if we're going to hear from Harvey Weinstein on the witness stand. His lawyers haven't said one way or another whether he will testify. In these kinds of cases, it's rare that a defendant would actually take the witness stand because doing so really opens them up to a lot of risk. The prosecution will get an opportunity to question them about all the allegations that the jurors have already heard about in so much detail, and that will put Harvey Weinstein on the spot to defend himself against those allegations if he were to testify. And we've seen Harvey Weinstein interacting with the media. He's been a little looser as the trial has gone on, but he can be sarcastic, he can be flip, and if that happens on the witness stand, there's a risk too that he could alienate the jurors even more so than whatever impression he's already given them so far just walking into court and sitting there at the defense.